Now that the discovery phase is concluding, the parties are going to line up their experts and get ready for trial. Again, Trump has tried to stop this civil lawsuit at every step. He's lost at the New York appellate courts time and time again. So now that he's been unable to get the case dismissed, I don't see settlement happening here. It's an important case. And the reason is that allegations are that Trump and his businesses submitted false documents in support of bank loans. That's a felony, but it could also be a civil fraud claim. And we're dealing with the latter here. Now, the really important issue is Trump's accounting firm has said that they have an actual conflict of interest. That leads me to believe that there's folks there who may be cooperating with the New York Attorney General. And as a result, there may be witnesses that are hostile to Trump and his businesses. Donald Trump can be looking at a civil judgment of 10 or even hundreds of millions of dollars if he is found liable for lying to these banks. So this monetary fallout could be significant. And a lot of folks know that there's a Fifth Amendment privilege against self-incrimination, and criminal prosecutors can't comment on that in a criminal case. But this is a civil case. Letitia James, the New York Attorney General, chose to file a civil lawsuit instead of a criminal prosecution. The most significant charges certainly would be those related to the January 6th Capitol riots. And if the Department of Justice picks up that case for prosecution, we know that there's an investigation because of the search warrant related to the Presidential Records Act and Trump destroying, flushing, tearing, and burning documents that were supposed to be maintained. That's a felony, certainly a less serious felony, but a felony nonetheless that's punishable by up to 3 years in prison. And again, does have that disqualification provision. One step lower is that civil lawsuit because there is no criminal penalty. There's no chance of Donald Trump actually going to jail. But a civil lawsuit is important nonetheless because witness testimony and evidence that comes out of that case could be used in a subsequent criminal prosecution.